Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English with Mano. My name is Manoj and today in this video I am going to share with you the second rule, that is how a singular noun can be changed to plural by learning a basic rule that I have already written here on the board. You can just have a look at it. For nouns that end in O, S, X, CH, SH, we need to add just ES to make it those particular nouns to plural. Okay. And if you have not seen the first part of the video, then I will give the link in the description box. You can just go and search that. So let's learn today's topic in detail with more examples. Here are some rules with that we can apply these rules. Nouns end with S, O, X, CH, SH. To that we add particular letter ES to make it into plural nouns. Okay. So the first example we can see here is tomato. Is the name of a vegetable and it ends with the letter O. So if you want to make this particular word to a plural noun, we just want to add ES at the end of tomato. So it turns into plural tomatoes. So let's take the second example here is bus. Buses. The same rule that we applied here, added ES at the end of this singular word. Okay. And the third example here is box. Boxes. Church, churches. Wish, wishes. Okay, I hope you got to know this basic rule that nouns ends with O, S, X, CH or SH. We can make those particular words nouns to plural by adding S at the end of those particular nouns. So this is the first part of today's video, and in the second part we will just see some of the examples that how can we use these words singular and plural into sentences. As you always know that I make some sentences for your better understanding and improvements. We must always have some sentence making practice. Okay, so let's make one sentence with these words singulars, then after plurals. Tomato. I like to eat tomato. I always eat many tomatoes. Bus. I catch bus to reach my office every day. We can see many buses there. Box. There is a box on the table. There are many boxes on the floor. Church. It's a very beautiful church. There are many beautiful churches in Kerala. Wish. I got a birthday wish from my best friend. I got many birthday wishes from my friends. So these are some of the very simple sentences to make it into practice, to make it into usages for everyday practice, singular and plural. So everyone, I hope you understood this basic rule that I discussed with you in this today's video, that particular nouns that ends with S, X, O, CH or SH can be turned to plural by adding ES. So if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, and if you want to get more free English videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any videos whenever I upload. And thank you for watching.